Hey guys, I had someone ask me the other day, how do you put suggested channels on your YouTube channel so you can help promote them and they can help promote you and you can kind of get a little collaboration going on. So let me go ahead and show you how it's done. But before we do that, remember to please subscribe and to give me that thumbs up. That really helps my channel if you subscribe and give me that thumbs up so I can continue to make good content for you. Let's get into this. Okay, so this is pretty much what you're gonna see right here on the screen when someone is just looking at your channel. Now, off to the right, if you notice where it says, I love these channels, I put all of these channels on there. They're videos and channels that I recommend from people that I know or people that I really like their channels. And I'm kind of suggesting, hey, take a look at these channels. So if you want to do that, what you do is you log in under you. So what you want to do is you want to log in underneath your video manager. Once you go underneath your video manager, you're going to see something right here in the corner. It's going to have nothing in it except for this little pencil if you haven't done this before. So go ahead and click on the pencil and then you're going to hit edit module. Go into edit module. What you're going to do is you're going to copy all of the links from all the channels that you like to watch and just drop them right here where it says URL. And title whatever you want in this category as the way you want it. I just say I love these channels, and then I put all of these people in here and then hit done. It's pretty much that simple. Once you drop the URL right here, then hit add and it will actually put the picture of their channel and then hit done, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Now you have all their channels. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. I'm gonna go to one of my favorite channels. I like to watch Doug DeMuro. He does reviews on automobiles, whether he rents them or he borrows them. And I kind of like his style. He's got a pretty good style. So he's one of my favorite channels. So I'm going to go to his channel. Once I go to his channel, not a particular video, but just the actual channel, come up here, left click, right click, and click copy, which would be another left click. It's that simple. Go back to your original channel, come to the little suggested videos or whatever it is you're going to name it in your case. And you're going to left click right here where it says enter channel, right click, left click again, paste, and we're gonna hit left click for add. Notice it added Doug right there. Now again, I've already named it I love these channels. I'm gonna hit done, and you're gonna notice now Doug's down there. It's that simple. It's really not much to it. If you have any other questions on how to do things online to your YouTube channel or other things that I might be able to help you with, just go ahead and let me know. Remember, if I can help you save a few bucks and a little bit of time, I will help you save time.